guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Grace and I make beauty, lifestyle, everything fun on this channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification so you get notified each time I post. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a long overdue video, which is how I do edit my pictures. If you're an OG here, you would know that I had this particular video. I'm going to leave the link right here, which was DIY photo shoot, how I did my birthday photo shoot, like 2 years ago. And this is what I did. I actually transformed this picture and I turned it into this, and with the whole arrangement, all of that. So if you want to see that, do a budget friendly photo shoot, so that video would be for you. So please do check it out. Okay, in today's video I'm just going to talk about how I actually edit my pictures. So I'm going to also show you another picture that also made me get a lot of requests from people asking how I do edit my pictures, and it was just one that I did on my birthday, and it was this picture from that to this. So that was actually the pictures that again made people come again at me with how do you edit your pictures. And for so long, to be honest, I just felt like, would it be that relevant? Is it gonna be enough? But I just had to go through all of that, and I'm here to bring you guys the video, and I do hope you do find it helpful. Yeah, so there are actually steps that I take to edit these pictures, and I'm going to explain all of that in this video. So if it's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so if you've made it this far, I guess you want to know how I edit my pictures, and I'm going to show you guys. So I'm just going to break down the steps on what I do. So the first thing I do is add my preset, which is already pre-made. I'm going to explain all of that and show you guys all of that through a screen record. Okay, and after I do the preset, I go to an app called Visco and do more editing, and then that's it. And then sometimes I use Facetune and all of that. So these are the apps that I actually use. So it's going to be Lightroom, Visco, and Facetune. So those are the three apps. So you need to just download that first, and then we'll just get right into it. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys a screen recorded video of what I do. So keep watching. So I go ahead and open my Lightroom app, and as you can see, a lot of pictures that I edit on here, and I just go on to upload the particular picture that I'm trying to edit, which is this, and I upload it onto the app. After that, I just scroll around and choose a particular picture that I already imputed my preset in. So this particular picture, I picked it up and I went further to copy the settings because it's already a pre-made preset. So you can actually take a screenshot of this to just see the adjustments, things that I did to make up my preset. So you can see the light is 7, the color is 4, and all of that. So just twist for yours. I go on and copy that and go back to that picture again and just paste it. So this is what makes it easy after you've had your preset. After that, I go ahead to just save this particular picture and move it to the next app. So what I was doing here was just playing around with other preset that the app comes with, but as you can see, I'm not upgraded to that package, but if you are, you can actually play with that. After that, I just go ahead and just save it because that's all I do with the app since I already have my preset. After that, I go ahead and save, and we move on to the next app, which is Facetune. So I'm just waiting for it to render, and yeah, we have that now. So onto Facetune, what I do here is just whiten my teeth and my eyes and smoothing some of the parts that I don't like. As you can see here, my teeth looks okay, but it could be better. So I'm going ahead to just choose the whitening option and whiten my teeth, but not so much that it looks unrealistic, to be honest. Then I go ahead and do same to my eyes because I believe like moderate is actually better, so I'm not doing too much to that. And you can see it makes a difference. So even if you zoom in, you can see that my teeth is white. The next thing, I go ahead to smoothing under my chin. I noticed that I have a rough patch there, just a little bit, and I smoothen it. So even if you zoom into this picture and zoom out, you are not going to see any flaw. And on to the next thing, we go to Visco. This is one of my favorite apps as well. I click on the picture, upload it as well, and go straight to editing. What do I do here? I do the sharpening, exposure, just play with it really. So as you can see, I'm playing with the exposure here, and to be honest, I don't think that I need to expose this picture, so I'm just going to really leave it on 0. So I did not expose this picture. And yes, I moved on to the next thing. So the next thing now will be to contrast the picture. Again, I play around with contrast just to see how it works, how it's looking, until I get my satisfaction. So I left it here for 0.8. And then next we'll go to sharpen, and you can just sharpen your picture as much as you want, but not too much so it doesn't look unrealistic. So as you can see, if you take it back, it reduces it, take it forward, it increases it. So just play with that as well and see what works best for your picture. And the next thing I do is just look around and see if there's any other thing I want to add, but I think I'm good here. If you want to blur out your background, you can always blur it, and then I go ahead to just save the picture. And voila guys, there you have it. From that to this, pretty much easy. It just only needs your touch. I hope you liked it. So guys, there you have it. That's exactly how I edit my pictures. I know it's not like pretty easy, but with a lot of practice, you're going to eventually find your own touch, and which is very important. You have to find your own touch. You can do everything I have explained in this video and have exactly what my pictures look like, but as you go on to edit your pictures, you realize that, oh, I think this would be better for me, this tone, this hue, all of that. So just try to give it your own touch. And I do hope you found this video very helpful, and please let me know in the comment section if you did find it helpful, and if you want more videos like this on how I edit my pictures, just more deep diving into it. And I'm glad to actually do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video.